You're standing in your kitchen. You snap a quick photo of whatever's inside your messy fridge, and instead of just listing what you have, the AI instantly builds you a complete personalized 7-day meal plan. It knows your exact fitness goals, your dietary restrictions, your crazy busy schedule, and even suggests grocery delivery with perfect timing. That's not some far-off future anymore. Today, on April 8, 2026, Meta just dropped Muse Spark, their most powerful AI model yet, coming straight out of the brand new Meta Superintelligence Labs. This one could make ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini feel like yesterday's news overnight. And if you use Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp at all, your daily life is about to get a whole lot smarter. Stick with me till the end because I'm breaking down everything, how it works, the massive money behind it, and exactly how you can try it right now. What exactly is Muse Spark? According to Meta's official announcement, Muse Spark is the very first model in a brand new series called the Muse family. It was built entirely by their elite Meta Superintelligence Labs team. This isn't just another small tweak to the old Llama models. Meta completely rebuilt their entire AI stack from the ground up over the last 9 months, and they did it faster than any development cycle they've ever run before. The result is a model that's small and lightning fast by design, yet surprisingly powerful. It can reason through complex questions in science, math, and especially health. And here's the key part. It's multimodal right from the core. That means it doesn't just read your text prompts. It can actually see photos, images, charts, and the real world around you and understand them like a human would. Mind-blowing new features and real examples. Now let me show you why this feels genuinely next level. The standout feature is the brand new Thinking Mode, also called Contemplating Mode. Instead of giving you one quick answer, Muse Spark fires up multiple AI sub-agents that work together in parallel. It's like having a whole team of experts debating the best solution just for you. Planning a family vacation? One agent builds the full itinerary, another compares hotels and flights, a third finds the best activities for kids, all happening at the same time. The final result is faster, deeper, and way more useful. Here are some everyday examples that already feel magical. Snap a photo of snacks at the airport, it instantly ranks them by protein content and tells you the healthiest choices. Shopping for a new mug? Upload a picture of your shelf and it superimposes different options so you can see exactly how they'll look in your home. Plus, it pulls in styling tips from creators you already follow. It even has strong visual coding capabilities. Describe a simple dashboard or a fun minigame, and it can build and share it in seconds. Health is another big focus. Meta collaborated with over 1,000 physicians to make the responses more accurate and actually helpful for real-life questions. The epic backstory, talent grab, and rebuild. So how did Meta pull this off so quickly? 9 months ago, Mark Zuckerberg made one of the boldest talent moves in recent tech history. He brought in Alexander Wang, the former CEO of Scale AI, as Meta's new chief AI officer, part of a massive, roughly $14.3 billion investment. Wang now leads the Superintelligence Labs, a focused team of top researchers who were given the freedom to move at startup speed. They didn't just improve the old system, they rebuilt Meta's entire AI foundation from scratch. Meta has openly admitted that last year's Llama 4 release disappointed a lot of people. Muse Spark is the clear reset button, and the early results suggest it's working. As the announcement puts it, this is a deliberate, scientific approach. Validate each generation thoroughly before scaling up even bigger. And guess what? The next generation of Muse models is already in development. The massive $130 billion bet. Here's what makes this announcement feel truly historic. Meta is projecting between $115 billion and $135 billion in AI-related capital spending for 2026 alone. That's an enormous number, nearly double what they spent last year, and it's going toward massive new GPU clusters, data centers, and cutting-edge infrastructure. Why go all in like this? Because Zuckerberg and the team believe personal superintelligence is going to be the defining technology of the next decade. They're building an AI that doesn't just answer random questions, but deeply understands your individual goals, your interests, your relationships, and your daily context, and then actively helps you move toward what matters most in your life. With more than 3.5 billion monthly users across their platforms, Meta has the perfect reach to make this real for everyday people. Benchmarks and how it stacks up. So, is Muse Spark actually any good compared to the big players? Early benchmark results are promising and put Meta back firmly in the conversation. On the tough GPQA Diamond test, which measures PhD-level science reasoning, Muse Spark scored an impressive 89.5%. That's competitive, though it still trails slightly behind Google's Gemini 3.1 Pro, Anthropic's Claude Opus 4.6, and OpenAI's GPT 5.4. But on Health Bench Hard, Muse Spark scored 42.8% and actually beat the current leaders from Google, Anthropic, and even edged out OpenAI's latest model. It shows strong performance in multimodal understanding, reasoning, health-related tasks, and agentic workflows, the kind of multi-step thinking that feels very personal and useful. It's not winning every single category yet, especially in long-horizon coding, but the speed of progress and the focus on everyday personal use cases make this a serious comeback story after the Llama 4 feedback. Where and how you can use it right now. The best part? You don't have to wait months to try it. Muse Spark is live today, powering the Meta AI app in the website at meta.ai, at least starting in the United States, with more countries coming soon. In the coming weeks, it will roll out across Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, and even your Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses, where the vision features will feel even more powerful in the real world. Here's a quick step-by-step to get started. 1. Open the Meta AI app or go to meta.ai. 2. Start chatting. It's using Muse Spark by default now. 3. Try typing Use Thinking Mode or Contemplating Mode for deeper multi-agent answers. 4. Upload photos for visual tasks like meal analysis or shopping previews. And for developers, a private API preview is already available to select partners. The bigger picture, what this means for your future. Let's zoom out for a second. Meta owns 2 of the largest social platforms on the planet. If Muse Spark and the bigger models coming in the Muse family can deliver true personal superintelligence, then every recommendation you see, every connection you make, and every interaction you have online could become dramatically more helpful and personalized. Imagine an AI that doesn't just suggest random posts, but surfaces exactly the content that aligns with your current goals, or turns your vague shopping ideas into smart hauls with creator content woven in, or helps you turn random creative sparks into mini-games or visual projects you can share instantly. This isn't just another chatbot, it's AI that feels built to prioritize people and the things that actually matter in daily life. Challenges, safety, and what's coming next. Of course, it's not all perfect yet. Muse Spark is currently a closed, proprietary model, unlike the fully open-source Llama series, although Meta has hinted at possibly open-sourcing future versions. Safety, privacy, and responsible development remain top priorities as the capabilities grow. But the momentum is undeniable. Larger models in the Muse family are already being worked on, including advanced visual intelligence projects. Today's announcement even sent Meta's stock price jumping sharply. The market clearly likes the renewed aggression and focus in the AI race. So here's the big question. Has Meta just taken a serious step toward leading the race for personal superintelligence? Or is this only the beginning of an even more intense battle with OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic? I want to hear what you think. Drop your thoughts in the comments right now. What's the very first thing you're going to try with Muse Spark? Would you trust it for health advice, travel planning, or creative projects? The official announcement link is in the description. Go try it yourself today at meta.ai or in the Meta AI app. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the biggest AI stories of 2026, please smash that like button, subscribe for more breakdowns like this, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the next major release. Thank you so much for watching. The AI future is moving insanely fast. And I'll see you in the next video where things get even wilder.